You are correct in your understanding of the situation. The multi-tap low bay fixtures you ordered are not directly compatible with running them on 240-volt circuits using your existing 120/240-volt panel without modifications to the wiring. Here is a breakdown of the reason and the correct approach. Each of the light fixtures you have uses a single hot tap that is designed for one of the voltage options, either 120 volts, 208 volts, 240 volts, or 277 volts. These fixtures are designed to have the single hot wire connected to its respective voltage source and the common wire connected to a neutral. In a standard single-phase 120/240 volt panel, you essentially have two hot legs, often labeled as L1 and L2, and a neutral. To obtain 240 volts in this setup, you need to utilize both hot legs, L1 and L2, which are 180 degrees out of phase with each other. You cannot derive 240 volts from just one of these hot legs and a neutral, as each leg provides 120 volts relative to the neutral. The crucial point is that the common wire in your multi-tap fixture is designed to connect to the neutral wire of the circuit, not to another hot leg. Connecting the common wire to another hot leg would create a short circuit or an incorrect voltage configuration for the fixture, potentially damaging it or causing it to malfunction. The solution is that you will need to install new 240 volt circuits from your panel specifically for these lights. Each of these circuits should consist of two hot legs, L1 and L2, providing the 240 volt potential difference, and a neutral wire. The hot tap on your fixture, set to 240 volts, would connect to one of these hot legs, and the common wire from the fixture would connect to the neutral wire in the new 240 volt circuit. Alternatively, instead of creating new circuits, consider replacing the multi-tap fixtures with fixtures that are specifically designed to operate on 240 volts. This would remove the need to deal with the multiple voltage taps and ensure compatibility with the 240 volt supply. When you are working with electrical systems, it is extremely important to strictly follow the manufacturer's instructions for the fixtures and adhere to all local electrical codes and regulations. If you are unsure about any aspect of the installation, it's always best to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure the safety and proper functioning of the electrical system. Remember that working with electricity can be dangerous, and safety precautions should always be a top priority.